Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again with another short tutorial video. This will be a very short tutorial. Last time, and let me show you when I am trying to open the BlueStacks 5, it doesn't open. It says Windows cannot access the specified device, path or file. You may not have the appropriate permission to access the item. So I have tried most of the fixes, but it doesn't work. So let me show you how to fix that. So guys, I have tried all of the fix that YouTube has been. There is a lot of tutorial how to fix that Windows can find blah blah blah. But after doing all of that, like disabling antivirus, advanced threat protection, accessing the control of the full control setup, then you can give the app the full control setup, the administration privilege, everything, but it doesn't fix it. So the conclusion is that you can fix that, but you have to uninstall it first. It's because this version have the problem that hdplayer.exe file that open the BlueStacks 5 app, it's flagged by the Windows DB or any other antivirus where that permanently locks it. No matter what permission setting you change, since you have already you have tried reinstalling something like that, but it's a bug, guys. So you can't fix with that. Okay, so you need to downgrade your apps. Okay, so how to do that? First of all, you need to uninstall it. Here I'll give you the link in the description below. You need to use this tool. Just use this tool, download the file and click OK. Here you can see I have already uninstalled it. Uninstall BlueStacks, click OK, then yes. After that, you need to just open the Windows R command. Here you can it's really easy, and just type temp this one and delete all the files you can delete. Okay, just that's it. Then you don't need to install the app from the official. It's official also, so I'll give you a link, the lower version. Let me show you. I have the full. You don't need to download online file here. It's full file, the BlueStacks, here you can see BlueStacks full install, 5.2291, not 30 version. Okay, not later than 30 version. It's like 5.2291, etc. So you just install it. Let me show you. It is a multi-instant, by the way. No, I don't need that multi-instant. BlueStacks 5. Yeah, it's opening. No annoying. Windows can find a specific permission, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's it guys. That's the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any other problem or any other issue, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have any other problem, also let me know in the comment section. Until next video, goodbye.